Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Rosenberg TX. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet-friendly. Located right off US 59, the Rosenburg Motel 6 offers free Wi-Fi and an outdoor pool. Pets are welcome at this property. Daily housekeeping is provided for each room. Select rooms feature a kitchenette. A fitness center, 24-hour front desk and coin laundry are available. Barbecue facilities are located near the sun terrace and outdoor pool. The Fort Bend Museum is 12 minutes drive from the peoprty. The First Colony Mall is 14 minutes drive from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.